Hi folks, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Ben and I'm a photographer and videographer based in North Wales. Very quick one today. I'm going to show you how to use the Zoom H5 recorder as an audio interface for your computer. So let's get into it. So Zoom H5 is probably one of, if not the most popular handheld recorders in the industry, really. I've had mine for about 2 or 3 months now. I'm recording the audio right now on the Rode NTG 4 Plus via XLR cable, but there's so much that this little thing can do, and this is just one of them. So to be able to connect the Zoom H5 to your computer to use as an audio interface, all you need is USB cable. I believe it's a micro B. Plug it in at the side and plug it in to the computer. I bought mine second hand, so I didn't actually have the cable with it, but by 2020 now, I'm sure everyone's probably got one of these lying around somewhere. The great thing is that when you're plugging it into the computer, you don't even need to have batteries in it. Once you've plugged it in, you'll have 2 options. Number 1 is SD card reader. We don't want that. Number 2 is audio interface. Click on that. On the next page, you'll have the option of stereo or multi-track. If you're just using the built-in stereo module, or if you have a plug and play microphone to plug into the 35mm socket, click on stereo. Otherwise, if you're using an external microphone through XLR or anything else through XLR or 1/4 inch, click on multi-track. And then next you have your power options. So you'll have PC/Mac bus powered, PC/Mac battery, or iPad. I'm yet to look into the iPad option. I've got an iPad Pro 2018 one. I have no idea whether I can plug this into it or not, but I would assume that's for a 35mm headphone jack on the older iPad models. Personally, I just always click on bus powered PC/Mac. That means I don't even need to have batteries in the thing. It's going to run perfectly well while it's plugged in anyway. And then the last step, you just need to go into your system settings, into sound, and change your input to H5. And that's it. You're set up, ready to go. It is also an idea to go into your sound output settings, just to make sure it hasn't selected the H5, because it's not going to do anything. Make sure it's just going to your normal speakers or headphones. And that is it. It is that easy. You don't need to download any software or anything. I don't believe you need to download any drivers if you're on Windows. Just plug and play, easy as that. Plug whatever you want into this thing and you can record straight to the computer. So far I've been using this thing for my voiceovers in Final Cut Pro. I've been using it for my screen capture recordings, and especially the last few weeks I've been using it a lot during video calls on Skype, Zoom and Discord as well. It works perfectly for all of that. Generally speaking, I've just been plugging in the Rode Video Micro or the Video Mic Pro Plus, which I've got recording to camera right now, and they've all worked flawlessly. And it doesn't stop there. If you're recording either audio or video through QuickTime or on Logic, anything like that, you can be checking your levels live, whether you're playing guitar, either acoustic to a microphone, or electric plugged straight in. And any other instrument for that matter. So I'm very happy that I bought this. It's come in very useful these last couple of months. And right now I just can't wait to shoot some weddings to really put it through its paces. And that is basically it for this video. Like I say, very quick, simple one. I'm very happy with the Zoom H5 as an audio interface. I don't do any sort of professional audio engineering or anything like that. I don't need anything massive and expensive. So this suits my needs perfectly for now. If you like this video, please do consider hitting subscribe in the bottom corner there and give it a like if you liked it. If you've got any questions, please do leave a comment down below. I'm always happy to try and help where I can. And then until the next one, be good, stay safe, get creating, and I'll see you in the next video.